Welcome! We're diving into a topic that is so close to my heart, solo female travel. There's a unique kind of magic, a profound sense of empowerment that comes from navigating the world on your own terms. For so many women, solo travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about discovering your own strength, building confidence, and realizing that the world is full of possibilities. It's about those moments when you find yourself lost in a new city, and instead of panicking, you figure it out and feel unstoppable. Maybe you're researching destinations late at night, chatting with friends about your dream trip, or planning your route with a cup of coffee in hand. Every step is a part of the adventure, and every decision is yours to make. In this video, I'll share the 12 safest countries in Europe for solo female travelers in 2025. We'll talk about what makes each place special, how to feel confident on the road, and why these destinations are perfect for your next adventure. It's a journey not just across lands, but deep within yourself. But I know that for many of you, the first question that comes to mind is, but is it safe? It's a valid, important question, and one that we're going to answer together today. This video is for every woman who has ever dreamed of packing a bag and setting off on an adventure, but hesitated because of safety concerns. We're going to explore the 12 safest countries in Europe for solo female travelers in 2025. This isn't just about statistics. It's about the feeling of freedom, the warmth of the people, and the environments that allow you to truly let your guard down. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this journey is just getting started, and I want you to be a part of it. Our journey begins in a place that feels like another planet, a land of raw, untamed beauty, Iceland. Not only does Iceland consistently top the charts as the world's most peaceful country, but it's also famous for its geothermal hot springs and the magical northern lights. Did you know that in Iceland there's a tradition called Jólabókaflóð, or the Christmas book flood, where people gift books and spend Christmas Eve reading? For solo female travelers, Reykjavik is incredibly walkable and safe, and locals are always happy to help with directions. Don't hesitate to join local excursions. This profound sense of security is the foundation upon which you can build an unforgettable adventure. My tip: try the local skyr yogurt for breakfast and don't miss out on the midnight sun if you visit in summer. Our next destination is Finland, where nature is a way of life and happiness is a national pursuit. Finland is not only one of the happiest and safest countries in the world, but it's also the land of 1,000 lakes and the home of the sauna. Did you know that there are more saunas than cars in Finland? For solo women, joining a traditional sauna session is a must. It's a great way to relax and connect with locals. For a solo female traveler, this translates into an environment where you can truly relax and just be. My tip: take a ferry to the Suomenlinna Sea Fortress for a peaceful day trip. It's safe, scenic, and full of history. Let's journey south to another Nordic gem, Denmark. Denmark is famous for its colorful Nyhavn harbor, delicious pastries, and vibrant cycling culture. Did you know Copenhagen has more bikes than people? As a solo traveler, renting a bike is the best way to see the city safely and at your own pace. One of the best ways to experience Denmark is by doing as the Danes do: get on a bike. Cities like Copenhagen are world leaders in cycling infrastructure, making it easy and safe to explore solo. My tip: join a group cycling tour to meet fellow travelers and see hidden gems. Our next stop takes us back to the dramatic landscapes of Scandinavia, to Norway, a country where nature's grandeur is matched only by its profound sense of peace. Norway is famous for its breathtaking fjords, midnight sun, and the legendary northern hospitality. Did you know that in Norway, allemannsrett gives everyone the right to roam freely in nature? For solo women, this means endless opportunities for safe hiking and adventure. The Norwegian Trekking Association maintains a vast network of marked trails and cozy cabins across the country, making epic adventures accessible and safe. My tip: sign up for a guided hike or stay in a mountain cabin for a true taste of Norwegian outdoor life. Let's leave the cool climes of the north and head to the sun-drenched coast of the Iberian Peninsula, to the warm and welcoming embrace of Portugal. Picture yourself wandering the colorful streets of Lisbon, savoring a pastel de nata at a bustling cafe, or chatting with friendly locals in a lively market. My favorite tip: take the iconic Tram 28 for a scenic ride through the city's historic neighborhoods. It's a safe and unforgettable way to see the sights. What truly sets Portugal apart is the warmth of its people. The Portuguese are known for their friendliness and genuine hospitality. Don't be shy about joining a fado night or asking for directions. Locals are always happy to help. For solo travelers, I recommend visiting the magical town of Sintra, where fairy tale palaces and lush gardens make for a perfect day trip. Let's head west to an island of myth, music, and unparalleled friendliness, Ireland. The Emerald Isle's reputation for safety comes from something deeply human, the people. If you're traveling solo, don't miss the cliffs of Moher for breathtaking views and a true sense of adventure. Ireland is a country that nurtures the soul. It's a place where the dramatic beauty of the landscape is matched only by the warmth of its people. Don't hesitate to join a walking tour or strike up a conversation. Irish hospitality is legendary. And if you're there in spring, look out for local festivals celebrating music, food, and community. Our journey now takes us to a country that is as famous for its tulips and windmills as it is for its progressive and open-minded society, the Netherlands. For solo travelers, the Dutch custom of gezelligheid, cozy togetherness, means you'll always feel included, whether you're exploring museums or relaxing in a cafe. Traveling solo here, particularly as a woman, is an experience in effortless freedom. The Dutch culture creates an environment that is not only extremely safe, but also intellectually and socially liberating. My tip? Take a canal cruise at sunset or join a local art tour. These are wonderful ways to meet people and see the city from a new perspective. Our Alpine adventure begins in Switzerland, a country where order and tranquility meet breathtaking natural beauty. For solo female travelers, Switzerland is not just safe, it's empowering. One unique safety tip: take advantage of the country's efficient and reliable public transport, which makes exploring even remote mountain villages easy and secure. Don't miss a scenic train ride through the Swiss Alps, and be sure to try fondue in a cozy lakeside cafe. Next, we journey to Austria, where imperial history and alpine adventure blend seamlessly. Austria is renowned for its welcoming atmosphere and well-lit city centers, making evening strolls feel comfortable and secure. A must-do for solo women: hike the trails around Hallstatt or enjoy a classical concert in Vienna. Both offer unforgettable experiences in a safe environment. Our final alpine stop is Slovenia, a fairy tale land nestled between mountains and lakes. Slovenia's friendly locals and compact size make it easy to navigate and feel at home. For added peace of mind, use the country's well-marked hiking paths and stay in locally run guest houses. Don't miss Lake Bled, rent a rowboat, or sample the famous Bled cream cake while soaking in the view. We return to Scandinavia to explore its largest country, Sweden. Known for its breathtaking archipelagos and innovative spirit, Sweden was the birthplace of the Nobel Prize, celebrating achievements that changed the world. For solo women travelers, Sweden's efficient public transport makes it easy to explore both vibrant cities and serene countryside. Don't miss the Vasa Museum in Stockholm, a must-visit for history lovers. Whether you're strolling through Stockholm's Old Town or hiking in the Swedish Lapland, you'll find a welcoming atmosphere and a strong sense of independence. Next, we journey to the heart of Central Europe, Czech Republic. Famous for its fairy tale castles and vibrant culture, Prague's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here's a fun fact: the Czech Republic is home to more castles per square mile than any other country in Europe. For solo travelers, trams and walking tours are a safe and fun way to see the sights. Be sure to visit Český Krumlov, a charming town with winding streets and a stunning riverside castle, perfect for solo exploration and soaking up local traditions. The modern Czech Republic is incredibly safe, vibrant, and welcoming for solo female travelers, offering a blend of history, culture, and adventure at every turn. We've just journeyed through 12 of the safest and most inspiring countries in Europe for solo female travelers. From the icy wonders of Iceland and Norway, to the sunlit coasts of Portugal, the vibrant streets of the Netherlands, the tranquil beauty of Switzerland and Austria, and the hidden gems of Slovenia and the Czech Republic. Each destination offers not just safety, but a chance to discover your own strength and independence. Remember, solo travel isn't about being fearless. It's about embracing the adventure, trusting yourself, and finding joy in every new experience. The world is more welcoming and accessible than you might imagine. I invite you to share your own stories and favorite destinations in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire and empower other women to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Together, we are building a community of brave, adventurous women, lifting each other up, one journey at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep connecting, and remember, your journey is just beginning.